New day, new start. Ignore this because I'm about to go and have a shower because it's 8 o'clock and I need to give you all an update. Then I need to cook dinner and then I really need a shower. So ignore the state of the house. I'm going to be walking around and it is in dire need of a clean. It's actually depressing me. But anyway, I've just been to Aldi as well, so I'll show you a few bits in there to share with you. But let me give you an update. We go and pause my tumble dryer. So this morning we had a little bit of progress. I had a couple of units put in, and then we've had some electrics moved, which I'll show you in a second. But basically, we went to move something and one of the laminate boards chipped. Now, we had already said we weren't going to replace the floor, but I said to Matt, I was like, I'm sure we've got an extra pack of the wood under the kitchen worktop. So I took all the plinths off the kitchen units and found a pack of laminate. So we were going to replace the one, then it kind of escalated. Then we had to take the units back out that we'd put in, and now it looks like this. So we've managed to fix the floor up here, pretty much, apart from we've got to move this one a little bit. But then Matt has redone this one, and we've got to replace these. Now, the one positive is the floor isn't that bad underneath. I thought it was going to be horrendous, but it isn't ruined as bad as I thought it was. Like the actual, I'm just treading on stuff. The actual like underlay polystyrene stuff is actually okay. So anyway, we've got some, what's it called thing there now? The foam crop stuff. Then we've had one socket taken out of that. They still look very dodgy because we've got to do the panelling. And then we've had 2 more sockets put down there. So that will be for the washing machine, tumble dryer, fridge and freezer. So we've got 2 new sockets down there now ready. And then Matt has done the panelling over this side so far. So we've got the panelling. You have to excuse this light. Yeah, this needs to be painted obviously because it's only primed. But then he's done the panelling on that wall. So we are progressing. It's just that this has kind of been a little bit of a hold up today. But we have the door in. I'll show you from this angle. So I genuinely think that now this, obviously we're going to have cupboards up here, but now this door is in, it genuinely makes this space look loads bigger than it used to, even though this cupboard went inwards and was open. I feel like with the door on, it's just really opened up this space, and I don't know how or why. But yesterday when we had the units in here, it did look like it was getting somewhere, and then we've just gone back a step and now they're all in here again. And in here looks worse than ever because we've had to like manoeuvre stuff. So yeah, I thought I was getting somewhere, but now I just feel like I'm not. But anyway, my sink is coming Wednesday, my fridge and freezer are coming Wednesday. And I've got a couple of bits that I'm going to show you that I've had from Aldi just. So bear with me and I will grab them. I'm going to pop you down here and show you. Let me just move you up a little bit. So I'm going to have sausage and mash tonight. I've decided I fancy something really nice and hearty. So I'm going to have sausage and mash. So I just went out to Aldi. Right, so bought a couple of bits in Aldi that I'm going to show you. I had this. Now, I couldn't resist this. So I love anything white and wood, as you know. Now, this was a bit pricey, I thought. But if you were looking for gifts for somebody, it just says on the front, biscuits for cheese. And then it's got like this lovely embossed metal detail and then a wooden lid. $8.99 though, but it has got crackers in it. So I thought if you were doing a nice gift for someone, you could give this, maybe some cheese, and then like a bottle of wine. And I really, really loved that. So I got that because I thought that can actually sit in my kitchen nicely. Then I got, they had all the Colleen Hoover books in there, and this is Verity. This was just $2.99. Now I have got Audible, so I don't know why I've then bought the hard copy, but I don't think you can beat like a book. Do you know what I mean? So this is going to be for me when I've finished everything. I've got visions of me with the house nice and tidy, sitting in the living room with a Christmas tree, lights on, and a nice book. Promise. And then also I got these. I saw these. I've already opened them. Did one of them brandy snaps. I haven't had one of these in years. These were like £1.50. I thought I'm going to try them because I've just missed. I looked at them and I bought out of there the other day some Ballycastle ice cream, like the Bailey's version. So I bought these to try. And I thought they'd be really nice with the Bailey's ice cream in the middle. And then I just wanted to show you these because if you're after some liqueurs, if you love a liqueur, I love liqueurs so much. These ones from Aldi you need in your life. They are cherry liqueurs. They are dark chocolate with Morello cherries soaked in liqueur inside. They're £3.09, which is quite pricey for Aldi, but not for a box of liqueurs really. And you get quite a few in there. I'll just open to show you. You get, I don't know how many are in there, does it say? But you get quite a few in there, and I really like them. So yeah, that's everything I got from Aldi. I've had a couple of Temu parcels arrive, so I will go upstairs and open them with you. I'm pretty sure they're mainly Matt's presents. So, off I go. I'll quickly show you this actually. How nice is this? Now I know it says Merry Christmas on it, but it's not for Christmas. It is a peace plant from Home Bargains. Look at the vase on it. Now, are they Christmas trees? Can I get away with that all year round? It's a beautiful, like really pastel green. And I'm sure this is a peace lily or a peace plant. My mum will tell me, she'll watch this video and she'll tell me. But how nice is that for £4.99? Oh, love it. Just thought I'd share it with you. I saw it by the till, so it came home. Okay, please don't judge me. I've just had the hottest shower, just done my skincare, and I'm just going to sit with my hair in my towel for a little bit. And I thought I would show you what I've had delivered from Temu. Where can I put you? I don't know whether I can spin you on my ring light. Actually, hold on. I should turn this on. Oh, that shall do. Yeah, I've had some amazing bits come. I've had my sister-in-law's Christmas present come from DH Gate. Don't know if you can see this on there, but it looks insane. I really want to open it, but I'm gonna wait and wrap it for Christmas. Also had, so I did another Temu haul. I filled you in with what I got from Temu, and then I did another order on Sunday of just like some little bits. So what day is it today? It's Monday. Oh no, wait, that's not right. Sunday? No, not Sunday. I did an order on Friday night at about 11 PM, like 12 midnight, and I had some delivered Sunday yesterday, and I've had some delivered today. So like, yeah, it's not too late to order from Temu. You just have to make sure you click the ones that are like local sellers, because if you click anything that's like by land, I have ordered a couple of bits by land and it's saying January, so that won't be here in time. But this, I actually saw an ad for something on Instagram, and then went on to Temu to get a Temu version. And because a lot of the time you'll find if someone's advertising something, they get it from China. So that's exactly what I did. I went on to there. So this is for Matt for Christmas, and this is a dehumidifier. Now you can use them in the car, you can also use them in your house, and they're ever so clever. It's basically a rice bag, and what you do, comes with like a little mat. What you do is you put them in your car or in your room or wherever, if you've got a room that's got a lot of moisture, and when this spot here turns pink, it's full of moisture, and then you pop it in the microwave to reset the rice. I can't believe I'm actually doing a haul like this anyway. and it goes back blue, and then you pop it back in again. So that was really good. I think that was £10. But it was £2 delivery, so it was £10 in total. I think it was about £8. This is a kilo one, and then it was £2 delivery, so it was like a tenner, which was half the price of the one I'd seen on Instagram. What's that? That's tea lights. Basically, I've bought him a lot of stuff. So we've been doing his tool cupboard, as you know. So I've been buying him loads of stuff for his tool cupboard. But if you've got any guys in your life and you want some ideas, this is what I've got him. So he's got all the DeWalt power tools. Like, I've bought him every year. I've always bought him something cordless. Like, I've bought him. He's got the impact driver, the drill, the circular saw, the SDS drill, the multi-tool. He's got all of them, like most of them, and they are really expensive, the batteries are. So I went on to Temu and I got 2 batteries for 30 quid. These are the 18 volt, the 12 amps, so the bigger ones. They fit. I've checked them, they fit. These were about, like, I want to say about 50 quid each, the DeWalt ones. This was like 20 something quid for the 2. They came next day. This also came a couple of days later. It's a screwdriver set to match all his DeWalt stuff. It's black and yellow. Now this is broke, this lid, but it doesn't matter. I could either fix it or hopefully I want to get like a little rack to go on the wall to put them on so it matches, just like the ones, because I mean he's got his impact driver, but just to have like the ones, a set of each Phillips and flathead, I think it's a good idea. What else have I got? Oh, this I bought for me. This is a slicer and dicer cup. I saw these on TikTok shop and I bought one, and it's basically exactly what it says, a slicer dicer cup. You put these different ones on the bottom, like the different dicers, and then you just push it down onto the fruit or whatever and it collects in the cup. And they're really good for like strawberries and stuff. I've seen a lot of people using them on strawberries and cucumber and stuff like that. So yeah, I picked that up. It was a couple of pounds. It was one of those, got roped in on the one click pay, because I'm a muppet and I always get picked up on those. What else is in here? Oh, I've got some screen protectors. I need to actually put one on my phone. But how good is this? I thought these were so good. I've never seen them like this before. The only thing they haven't got is like the cloths. But anyway, they are, so this, now I'm going to have to figure out how you use them. But it does say to scan for the tutorial. But you basically, you put your phone in this plastic thing and then you pull this tab and it's supposed to do it for you. Don't know how good they are, but they were like 4 quid for 4. So I was like, I need one because I broke mine the other day. This is for Lucas. It's like a little present fidget toy. I thought it would have come with like a screwdriver or something, but it doesn't. So I don't know how that works, but yeah, one of the, again, like a little add-on thing. Oh, this is for Lucas. This is so good. This is a picture frame that's a candy dispenser. I think it was about 7 quid. But it looked so cool. You have to get, I need to go to Home Bargains actually and get some, you need mini M&Ms. And you can get them in loads of different colours. You can get them in red, blue, pink. But I actually got the brown because he's got like a Minecraft room. You put the candy in here and then you pull it, you twist this and it dispenses the candy out the bottom. It's a photo frame. I'm sorry, is that not one of the coolest things you've ever seen in your life? The handy candy frame. He loves stuff like that. He's got like a claw machine and, you know, stuff like that. So that is that. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else is in here? Oh, this is, I think, the battery charger for the batteries. Again, got the dual charger because he's only got one charger at a time. This is for two to charge at the same time. Again, I think that was about 10 quid. So cheap compared to like how much DeWalt stuff is. And I've even got him, I think, coming. It's due tomorrow, I think, or another couple of days, so I'll show you when it comes. Like a paint gun. Now, that's the one thing he hasn't got, is the cordless paint gun. But I thought, how good would that be for like when we're painting the fence or things like that? It's like the same DeWalt colours and stuff. So yeah, I got him that. So I don't know what else I've got turning off. What's this? I think this is another set of those screen protectors. Yeah, because I got some from my phone and some for Leo's. But yeah, those are just some random bits that I've bought. I've got, like I said, I've got a couple more parcels turning up over the next few days. I'm going to put this back in the bag. Where's this bag? Oh, it was in a box, wasn't it? There's the kids just going inside. I've got to go and put them to bed. But yeah. Oh, found it now. Because Matt will come up here and start nosing, you see. But yeah, that's everything that's come at the moment. But I do have some more bits coming, like I say. So anything that arrives, I will show you. But I've got to go now because I've got to go and cook dinner and put the kids to bed. Oh, this is for Lucas. This is a new Minecraft bottle. He's got this one from Asda and he broke it, snapped the thing, and he said, I want the same one, Mum, I want the same one, I love my bottle. Asda haven't had it in stock for ages. So I was like, do you know what? I'm just going to have a quick look on Amazon. It was a £5. It was £3 cheaper. Go figure. And it was Prime. Anyway, I'm going. I've got to go downstairs and make dinner. But happy 8th of December. I'm cooking on gas with Vlogmas. Sorry that I've had to turn up like this. But, you know, real life. Covered in filler that hasn't come off in the shower. And I'm really tired. But I normally love a Monday, but my house is just upside down. It's really starting to get to me, and I've just got to keep thinking, just keep pushing, keep pushing. Sink comes Wednesday, fridge freezer comes Wednesday. I've got to try and sell my fridge freezer. So many of you guys put some lovely ideas about how much to put it up for. I put it up for 200 quid, and I've had someone offer me 100. But do you know what? If I'm going to get £100 for it, I'd rather my mum and dad have it and we ship it round there and we'll put it in another room. Because I'm not going to sell it for £100. Like, that's just silly. Anyway, I'm going to go. Happy 8th of December. I've got a Primark haul to do with you. Probably one of over the next couple of days because I went to Primark on the weekend. Got some bits. Not all for me, but I'll share with you what I got. Got some amazing pyjamas for my dad. That if you've got a dad to buy for in your life or a husband, they were incredible. And some boots that I need your opinion on because I love them but Matt hates them, so the jury's out on that one. Anyway, good night guys. Happy 8th of December. I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully not in a hair towel, but yeah, night guys.